Hola estudiantes, mañana no voy a estar en la escuela, así es que tienes que hacer estas actividades en tu Google Slide. Okay? For math, you're going to complete the activities. Use the 20 frame to determine the missing addends. Okay? Vas aquí a contar, todos suman a 20, pero tú vas a contar lo que hay y vas a decirme cuántos faltan para que sean 20, okay? Record your answer on the yellow box so you can go ahead and start counting up from those numbers. I left you 3 slides that have the same 20 frame. Okay? The next activity is going to be multiplication. Use the array and write the repeated addition for each problem. For example, the first one, you have 2 rows of 1. So 1 and 1 is 2. You're going to do the following, and then you have more arrays. Okay? With your journal, you can go ahead and find the sum. Put them on top of each other. Okay? 274 plus 250. Start in the ones place, then the tens place, then the hundreds place. When you're done, please record your answer on the yellow box. Take a break. Go to Math Path Blazer for 30 minutes. Make sure it is a complete 30 minutes in Path Blazer. When you're done, come back and work on your reading activities. You're going to read Pat's buckets. Okay? You're going to list the items for Pat's buckets. What were the items he had? What does Pat like to do in the summer? Write your answer. Fill in the blank. He brings blank. Now his bucket is blank. You tell me what happens. Then you're going to read another story. This is a realistic fiction story. Read it carefully, and you're going to drag what goes first, next, then next, after that, and finally. Okay, so you can put this you can drag it like that. Okay, make sure you drag the colored boxes to the sequence of events from the story. When you're done with reading, go to your Path Blazer reading for 30 minutes. Then you can come back and work on writing. Remember, writing should have all the details you can think of. Okay, drag and drop the pictures below to sequence them. So what would go first to make an apple pie? Would you have a basket first? Would you have the oven first? Would you have the apple tree first? So go ahead and drag them in the correct spots and then write to me how to make an apple pie. Remember, start with a capital letter and end with a punctuation mark. If you get stuck, try saying the words out loud as if you were telling someone a story, or go back to the inspiration pages to help you. So remember, you can always go back and go first, next, and last. Here's another page. This one you can choose how to tie your shoelaces, or how to tie your shoes, how to make your bed, how to choose a book to read, how to be a good friend, how to take care of a pet. You can write a recipe if you want. You can do how to make a peanut butter sandwich, how to make an ice cream sundae, how to make a pizza at home, how to make a bowl of cereal, chocolate chip cookies, chicken quesadilla, toasted bagel with cream cheese, or you can retell the story, The 3 Little Pigs, Beauty and the Beast, Goldilocks and 3 Bears, Jack and the Beanstalk, The Little Red Riding Hood. So these are some ideas to help you, okay? You don't have to do these, but these are good ideas. If you like one of them, turn it into a paragraph. Write a paragraph or two about your procedural text. If you have time, you can work on Tumble Books, and you can take an AR. You can work on social studies. Complete the activities for social studies. You're going to do, you should brush your teeth because. Tell me the reasons why you should brush your teeth and what happens at the dentist. When you go to the dentist, tell me what happens. You should not be afraid of. Tell me what things you shouldn't be afraid. And you should tell your dentist too. The dentist will help you. And then you're going to read about September 11. Complete the answers. When you have completed these slides, you may go ahead and click Turn In. Now, some of you have activities to do. So here's some activities. Your sub is going to have a lot of them to do. So if you're going to do the Google Slides, complete the Google Slides, turn them in, and then ask your substitute to give you some activities, okay? The rest of you have actual paper pencil activities, so go ahead and work on them, okay? And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.